Back to school paper crafts, all about me. Now, this is a warning. Only continue if you really are interested in creative children's crafts. Here are some traditional, all about me crafts, two different ones that are very standard cookie cutter crafts. So there are two ways that I've done all about me crafts. They do sell some of these, like these dummy cutouts of people. If you use all of the different materials, that could work as well. But let's say you don't have that. So let's say I would start, this is one way. I would take something round, like proportionally it has to be, can't be too big or too small. I would either give them something like this, and then I would take just a straight edge. I would give them something like this to start, or if I'm going to be doing something this size, I would cut like, a few different shades of skin colors, whatever you have. Sometimes the craft stores actually sell all different shades of tans and browns. So I would have them just start with this, choose what they want. Nobody's this color in any case, white, but you could use even white. Or if you're going to do a very large paper, then you have to make it proportional. You see, these are larger, then you would have to put it down here. You can also give them something like, I don't know, to put a neck, or you can just have the line there. And then these are some of the materials that I would present. I have fabrics. These are something, I bought these in Walmart. They're called quarters, fat quarters, all different colors of materials. And there's ribbons. They sell those in Walmart and a lot of different places. Ribbons and tissue paper and yarn, googly eyes. Or you can even want to use this puncher to make their own eyes and nose, whatever. And then here we have gems. There are so many different things. Q-tips, not Q-tips, toothpicks. Look around your house, look in any of these dollar stores, and you'll be amazed with how many things you can find. Sometimes a child may only want to color or cut out their own circle. And then you have the child that was coloring saw a large circle and she just covered up what she colored. And here's another option. So for the results of the All About Me here, this was a 4-year-old. Actually, she had first, I don't know if you can see it, I had given her, this was one where she had gotten a round circle and just a line. And she actually drew a face over there, but then she saw some of the other children using pieces of round pieces to paste on, so she pasted that on top, and she did make a line over here for arms. Then she just drew on top over here. Here we have, whoops, sorry, this just came off, but this was a 6-year-old, and then we jump to an almost like a 9-year-old, almost 9-year-old. Note the detail. Now I have lots of other samples from previous times that I've done this activity that we're going to run through. So this one was using a circle and craft sticks. This was one level, and now look at this one where the child just put the eyes in a crazy place and the stick too. Here are other samples. You can see the maturity. I think these were first graders. More samples of the different ways that you can do this. This I think I had given necks. Some of them just got heads, and here they did complete outfits. If you like this style, go get my free guide.